Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. I'm so excited to do this video. Long story short, this apartment used to be my boyfriend's apartment, but now he's got another apartment. So this is officially my apartment. So it's like an empty-ish tour because obviously he left a few things here and I already had a few things here. For example, his bed, his like kitchen utensils and stuff like that. So it's like an empty-ish apartment tour, but there's still a lot to do. So come on and let me show you guys my apartment. I'm so excited. Let's go. I'm gonna hide my number because I don't want y'all stalking me. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, there's like a little hallway, but there's music playing. Hold on. Okay guys, so as soon as you walk in, there's like doors everywhere, and this is one thing that I don't like about the apartment. I hate brown doors, but they're fire doors. It's okay, we'll make it work. It doesn't really matter too much. But as soon as you walk in, the first thing you've got here is a door. This door is like, I guess you could call it storage room, but it's mostly like a boiler. Picture of me and my friend, suitcase, my gym stuff, clothes, nothing special at all. But it is still nice to have a small space that you can work with. Here, it's got pretty much exactly the same thing. Here I keep my like laundry basket. You've got my lights, my filming lights and stuff, and you've got like PR boxes and things that like when I receive items they normally just go like straight in here, and then when I have time I like go through them, record with them, use them if I need them. But again, it's just a random small space that I'm proper grateful for, because this, look in here guys, all my wigs are in here, and in here like, extra makeup and stuff that like I don't know where I would have kept. So office stuff here, like pens and notebooks and stuff, like a hardware shelf. I bought it from B&Q. It was £10 and it fit perfectly in here. So yeah, I just make it work basically. With apartments you really just gotta make it work. There's no picking and choosing. So yeah, these two are basically storage. Walk a little bit down and you've got a bathroom here. So as soon as you walk in here, you got the bathroom. It's really echoey in here. You've got a toilet, a sink, a heater. Yeah, so basically sometimes when I work with brands and stuff, a lot of brands request for your background to be like all white and stuff. So originally this was like brown, this countertop was brown. So I like sticky topped it and made it marble, just because like for a lot of my pictures, the background has to be white. Even like with this, so this one, I just got a curtain. So I just got like a glittery curtain and like pull it up. So when you look at it like this, it looked like the whole room is white, but these times it's literally just a curtain that's like, you know, covering it over. But you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta make do with the make do. Plus I like white backgrounds. I think it's really cute, really sleek. These are literally like LED light cases, but I just like took two of them and put it here. It looks really, really cute. Spacious, I can't even lie. It's alright. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, love it, I love it. So yeah, I really want to get some cute pictures here. Everywhere here has got like spotlights. So that's the toilet. Further down a bit, you got these two mirrors. I just put these up because I'm so extra. Hold on, let me wipe the mirror. Looks a bit dusty. So I just put these two mirrors up just because I think it's cute. I'm so extra. Like these guys, these are so cheap. These were £3 for £5. £3 for £5 from the range. Really cute. I wish I put these on the sides of my bed, but it's okay. Yeah, so there's there, and then so in here is the room. I'll show you guys a bit later. And if you come in here, it's the front room. Okay, so this is the front room. So many of these videos, but yeah, it's a family minute. This is where I watch TV, this is where I sit down, this is where I make food. Like, I don't know what else to say. This is the front room. Yeah, this is the front room. I'm gonna get like dining tables here. Oh, my eyes are doing. But I'm gonna get like dining tables here. I think I want like another little table here, or like a bookshelf or something. I got this TV off this app called Shopbook. Most of the things in this house is from Shopbook. The couch is from Shopbook. Am I saying it right?
Spock.
Oh, Spock. I don't know where I got shot put from. Couch is from Spock, the TV's from Spock, the mirror's from Spock, like literally everything in this house is from Spock. Everything here is cheap and cheerful. Like this TV stand is literally £9 from IKEA. I might change it out, I might not, because it's an apartment. Like I didn't want to spend too much money. This sofa I got from Shopcourt. This sofa was £90, £20 delivery, like cheap. These pictures I made myself. If you guys haven't seen, I actually recorded a video on how I made them, so I'll link that video down below. So this is basically where I'm pretty much chilling all the time. I'm not gonna lie, these sofas, like this sofa is not comfortable at all. Like I'm gonna do that just to make it a bit softer, because I can't lie, it's not comfortable, and I'm pretty much here all the time, so I want it to be comfortable. These blinds, can you imagine guys, yeah, I broke the blinds. Like me, I've never had blinds in my life. All I've had was curtains in my house. So when I first came, I was like, what the heck? And I was playing around with it, I was playing it, dragging it, and it broke. So right now, yeah, it's completely broken at the top. Yeah, so this mirror, I rang this mirror from my house in London. This mirror is from IKEA. I think it's like £50 in IKEA or £40 in IKEA. I do like this mirror, and I literally just copied her. But yeah, so this table, my mum just got it. But yeah, so as soon as you come here, straight ahead here, you can see the kitchen. Nothing grand, it's simple, it's small, but it works for me. Yeah, so the kitchen's just filled with cupboards. Again, sorry. Are you okay? Yeah. Again, as I said, like spoons and forks, like cutlery there in here. I think I've got like French seasonings and stuff. Yeah, there's basically drawers, basically cupboards all around. Extractor fan for like if you're cooking and stuff. Got an electric cooker, drawers everywhere, an oven, then a sink, a dishwasher, which in my house in London, we have a dishwasher. In my life, I've never ever turned it on. Like my mum would never let us use a dishwasher. So now I have my own dishwasher. But I've actually never used it myself. Like I've never turned it on. Lazy man's job. Glasses and stuff. Yeah, I don't really know what to show, but yeah, it's just cupboards, all my like bleach and stuff, more storage, the fridge, freezer. So yeah, the kitchen is basically linked straight to the front room if you go all the way back. And it works for me, I guess. Like I don't really mind. Again, it's just me, so I don't really need a massive kitchen. It does the job. So spotlights all across here as well. Also in the kitchen, spotlights everywhere. Fire alarm. Yeah, cool. We can go along. So in here, there's a room here. This is actually like my beauty / filming room. But again, you can come and see it, but it's a mess. Like I moved all my stuff from London in here. So as you can see, it's scattered. Like don't look too much. It's literally scattered. So I'll probably insert a clip now of how it looks when it's kind of cleaning.
So here's a video of the room again. It's a little bit more presentable, but still quite messy. But I will be showing you guys this room in a proper video.
But I'll show you guys that in a whole other video. But there is a whole nother bedroom, which I use as like my filming room and stuff like that. My makeup and stuff is all in there. But yeah, so if you go further down a little bit, you've got this. Before we go into the room, this is the heater bit. And this is where if someone's calling me from downstairs, I can just press this fancy button and let them in. Hello? Who are you? Domino's? Okay, yes, come upstairs. That is fine. Yes, come. I didn't know that Domino's. I didn't know that Domino's though. Yeah, so then this is the bedroom. I don't know what to show. I don't know how to talk. How do I say it? Okay, this is the bedroom. This is the bed. I sleep there. His old bed. This was actually Jay's old bed. So he left it for me because in his new house he's got a bed already came with the place. So he left this bed for me. God bless you. Because finding a bed is long. So a glass circle, and I use it as like my bedside table. But the glass broke, so I'm actually getting a new glass. I don't know what else to show. This bed has a lot of storage. It's so good. It's got like all my bed sheets in here. It's got storage on this side and storage on the other side. So the other side has all my clothes in there. I think I need to switch it around and put all my clothes here. It's long, like going in here every day to get my clothes. It's kind of long, but they have massive drawers here as well. Blinds again. As big as it, yeah. This is the blinds closed. The blinds open. This mirror, I actually love this. This mirror is from Matalan, but yeah, I'll show you guys all of that. I'm picturing like having a plant in the corner there, making it like a real vibe. Over here, if you come this side, so if you come over here, over this side of the room, you've got basically like a wardrobe, which is so messy right now. Again, like half of my clothes is in that room, in boxes and stuff. I need to like sort this out and make it look cute. I want to get rid of all these black hangers and use like these gold ones, because I feel like it just looks way better. But yeah, so I need to sort this out. You've got shoes at the bottom. But again, like there's so much clothes and shoes in that room that needs to somehow all fit in here. And lots of storage here. So I think like if I strategically organize this, like everything will work. Plus I've got the 2 drawers there. This actually came with a mirror. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And it's kind of nice because it's like hidden away. Again, the brown doors, but it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, and then in here there is another bathroom. This is the second bathroom. This bathroom is pretty much the one that I use all the time. This is how the other bathroom looks. So it had this wooden brown thing, but I actually used like a marble sticker and stuck it on. But this is how originally it looked. You've got a shower here. This is like a standing shower. The other one was a bath. The same thing, hot and cold. Everyone loves these things. Like, they're like, oh my god, this is like what you have if I see a dog. I hate these. Like, I honestly hate these. If you have long nails, this is not the one. Pushing this down is not fun. So I actually don't like it. I have to push it like this. And that's how I flush the toilet. I don't like it, but it looks cute, but it's not practical. This is pretty much the bathroom. Pretty much used all the time. Again, spotlights. Yeah, then it leads directly out into the bedroom. So now I've shown y'all my front room. I've shown y'all my kitchen. I've shown y'all my bathroom. I've shown y'all a little bit of my beauty room. Oh, I don't know where y'all going. You don't gotta go home, but you get. Wait, let me start again. You ain't got to go home, but you got to get the hell up out of here. Come on. Come on, get your ass out. Come on, get.
If you want to see how I decorate my house, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because I'm going to be vlogging the whole process.